Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we will check out the most versatile Linux distribution available in the market. So, Linux Mint, we have used it for a long time and we were very much satisfied with it that we decided to include it in the separate category of most versatile Linux distribution. Linux Mint makes all kind of users feel instantly comfortable when they start using it. It satisfies all use cases like users migrating from Windows, users just starting to use information system for the first time, intermediate experienced users, school students, college students, scientific researchers, commercial use, office staff use, government office use, media creation use, developer use, day-to-day use by grandpa and grandma, and all other remaining use cases. So it is the most versatile Linux distribution. I will stop the video here. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.